Hey folks, so Traxxas is having their spring savings special. Save $160 a spring and pick any two factory 5 hot rods for $299.95. Looks like they're normally priced $229.95. So I ordered myself two about a week ago. Which two did I get? Took about a week. Got my shipment in from Traxxas. Ordered it on the 25th, which was my birthday, and is now 2nd of May. UPS dropped it off today. Let's see. There they are. Open this up. Back to back. I got a truck and a coupe. The truck I did get in red. The coupe I got it in blue, so the boxes may be flipped around or something. Flipped around on the side. Got the sticker here showing I ordered the blue one for the coupe, and the other sticker there. I got the red one for the truck. Pretty good deal, in my opinion. So this is my shipping, where it says I ordered the red truck and the blue coupe with the discount, with the spring savings discount. Turned out to be with tax $315.85 for both of the trucks, which is an awesome deal, I think.